Dave at USA Performance Parts. I want to show you our Manley lightweight stock stroke 3.480 stroke lightweight crankshafts. These are great for circle track. Again, this is a 3.480 stroke. Works good with a 4-inch 4030 bore engine combinations. They have the scalloped undercut machine counterweights in it to get rid of a lot of weight without sacrificing any strength. These are all gun drilled mains all the way through. All the rod journals are lightened. All the edges have a bull nose on them to not only lighten it, but it really helps the windage control, the oil control in it. This crank is a 43-pound crankshaft compared to a 55-pound standard weight crankshaft. These are good for 750 horsepower, so anything in the stock stroke stuff, it's going to handle it pretty easy. We use the Manley rod in these kits. This is the standard weight rod for the guys that are up over 600 horsepower. We also have the lightweight Manley rod that's good for around the 600 horsepower and less, and is about 50 or 60 grams lighter than this one. These all have the ARP 2000 bolts in them, so you never have to worry about rod bolts. Manley piston. This is an inboard forging, which gives it a lot of strength and with a lot less weight. This is one of their dome pistons. They come with a 1.5, 3 millimeter ring package, a nice lightweight package that also seals the oil very good. These have a 8620 steel 2.300 long pin and a 150 wall, makes a very, very lightweight pin for it. These are also available in a flat top. They're also available for the 2-barrel, the 4-barrel, and we've even got some that are very, very light for the guys that are 500 horsepower or less. All these do use the round wire lock with the chamfered pin, so you never have to worry about locks trying to get out of it. It's a total seal ring package. Like I said, a 1.5, 3 millimeter low drag, and comes with Cleveite rod bearings and main bearings. These are in, like I said, with a number of different bore sizes, different type pistons, just about anything you're going to need in this great Manley kit. We can furnish it completely balanced, ready to install. Give me a call at 704-397-7979, or check us out on the web at usaperform.com.